Welcome to our internal training program for Direct Care Training and Resource Center and Child Care Training and Resource Center. This tutorial is designed to assist you in accomplishing school edits and updates accurately and efficiently. So please end all distractions and follow along. To get started, enter the school from your browser. Note that Firefox, Explorer, and Chrome are browsers that work well with the schools. For the school that serves providers who care for adults, type in directcaretrng.pathright.com. That's Direct Care Training, but training is abbreviated. So directcaretrng.pathright.com. For the school that serves child care providers, type in Child Care Training, also with training abbreviated trng.pathright.com. In order to edit, you must sign in, which you can do at the upper right-hand corner using your own credentials. At this point, scroll and find the class you are assigned to edit. You may wish to start in the categories at your left or scroll through all of the courses. You can filter by category if you wish. Enter a class and start the process of editing. Now I'm going to go into the class Prevention and Containment of Communicable Disease, Bloodborne Pathogens, as you can see on your screen. And I am taken automatically to the About area, which is where the course is described, etc. Now in order for you to edit, you need to click on Path, and that takes you to the actual curriculum. I am now in the first section entitled, What are Bloodborne Pathogens? To edit, I need to click that pencil image in the course at the upper right. Now something jumps out right away. What is that? The image used says what to expect in this course. That does not belong there. Instead, the image that says what to expect in this section goes there. So you remove that image and replace with a new one. Then notice the two key points at the very top. Number one, what bloodborne pathogens are. Number two, why this definition matters. As an editor, you are focused on appearance and language. So ask yourself, would these main points stand out more if they were a different color than the body of the text? To make them red or blue or some other color, highlight them with your mouse and then scroll up to the A in the Edit area, which will say Font Color when you scroll over it. Again, the A you want is the one that says Font Color when you scroll over it. What did you notice next? Well, the first sentence in the paragraph is, why does this definition matter? Is that not a question that should end with a question mark? Well, yes. So you would edit it accordingly, adding the question mark. Now you scroll down a bit. Did you notice at the bottom of this section something else is missing? It is the image that says you have reached the end of this section. Now you should have that image on your company computer if you've been around at least 4 weeks, or you can access the company's images on Google Drive using drive.google.com in your browser. And then you could just search for any image. Ask your company contact for login information for our Google Drive, and you can search photos at any time. Houston, we have a problem with the image. The image is preferred a bit smaller and flush to the right. How do you accomplish that? Grab it at the lower right-hand corner. It'll highlight itself. And then you can just scroll upward or diagonally and shrink the size of the image, and then click on the image and a little black area will appear in the middle that says Edit. You select Right, which will then position it at right. If you're finished editing in this particular section, click Save and Publish at the bottom, and it saves the changes that you've made. If you do not click Save and Publish, everything you've done is gone, and your editing would have accomplished nothing at all. And now for a few final notes. Pathright now uses what is called a block system for course development that was not in place when we first began using their platform. When you are editing a course created using their block system, you will click Publish at the upper right of the course's interior when you are done editing a section. It will not be at the bottom, and it will not say Save and Publish. It will simply say Publish, and it'll be at the upper right of your text. Lastly, editing is about language, design, style, and accuracy. If there are no main points at the top of a section, you can add them. How so? By reading that section and developing them. You need not be a clinical professional to pick out a couple of main points from the body of the text. Also, be appearance conscious, word and spelling conscious, and take pride in our wonderful products. Your contribution goes far in ensuring we are and remain our absolute best.